We are one organization, 2 sites, hundreds of programs, and hundreds of thousands served every year.
One of those things that makes Ann Arbor fabulous is the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum and Leslie Science Center. You have to plant the seeds early on, get the kids excited, have them use their mind, because the more they use their minds, the greater the capacity of that same mind to learn. That's what the museum and Leslie Science do for kids, is it increases their learning capacity.
What an amazing, amazing gift these organizations are to our community. People need to come on site and see the excitement and the joy and the enthusiasm that kids experience, and you can't help but give when you see the impact.
I think that this place matters now more than ever. I mean, we need places for community to come together. We need places for kids to be kids and be able to experiment with science. We need people to get outside. This institution matters now more than it ever has before.
This means a lot to a lot of people in this community. I'm also a parent whose children grew up here, and now our children are bigger. They talk about how this place meant so much to them. Our daughter is now an engineer. Our other daughter is really interested in sciences, and they can relate that spark moment to being here at the Hands-On Museum or the Leslie Science Center that allowed them to build wonder and excitement and the love for science, and look where they are now.
There's just something special about this place where you get to put your hands on everything. You get to experience the world, see how it all works, and it's a one-of-a-kind sort of place.
I truly care about this place because it's just a beacon of hope for so many kids. It's so important to support organizations like this. It's definitely worth investing in.
We are creating and supporting a community of thinkers, innovators, dreamers, and doers, ensuring joy and curiosity are a core part of learning for children across Southeast Michigan and beyond. We can only do this in partnership with you, the volunteers, staff, board, donors, businesses, and foundations who support us are the real champions. We are so very grateful.